Hey guys, this particular problem we're going to work with is a subtraction of fractions. Hey, that rhymes. So we're going to subtract two fractions with unlike denominators, and what we have here is 7/8 minus a half. Excuse me. So we're going to go ahead and excuse me. I got a bit of a cough. We're going to go ahead and try to get our like denominators. And we're going to do that with prime factorization. So uh, we've got to go here and start forming a factor tree. Okay. Let's see. Alrighty, there we go. We started our factor tree. So we can get 8 to break down into 2 times 4. The little dot means multiplication as well. And then that 4 needs to be broken down to 2 times 2. Okay. Now let's go over and take a look at the half. Well, that's 2 is a prime number. It's one of the only even prime number. So all we have to do is go ahead and break that into 1 times 2. So if we go ahead, we see that we have a match between here, these two. Okay, so we can make one scratch. And there we go. I'll take that one out. Now we can make our multiplication problem. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Okay. So now that we have that, we know that's going to be our lowest common denominator. And we can set up our new fractions. Okay. So here we go. Okay. There's our fraction bars, and there's 8. We're going to multiply that by 1 because that's all we need to do to get to 8. And then we do the top and multiply it by 1. Okay. Going to the next fraction, the half, 2. We're going to have to multiply that by 4 to get to 8. And we got to multiply the top by 4 to get to 8. Okay. So let's, our new numerator, of course, is 7 over 8. And you could take that shortcut. You don't have to actually multiply by 1. You could just write down 7/8. Okay. And then the red fraction would be 4 over 8. Okay. So now you're ready to put your equal sign down, and you're ready because you have like denominators. You can go ahead and add, or I'm subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Fraction bar in, and your denominator stays the same. So there's an example of how to subtract a fraction, and it's much like adding fractions, except instead of adding the numerators, you're subtracting the numerators, and that's it.